What it do?
Let's get right.
Let's get right. We on 30. Connor, let's see them headlights. Let's see them headlights. Bro, look at that. The Nismo's coming all together. Look at those nice hexagon lenses. Right now we're going to be putting on. Whoa, it's so dark. Alright, so right now we're going to be putting on Connor's carbon fiber steering wheel. He has a forged carbon fiber steering wheel. We getting right. Let's see it. Let's see it. Get the light.
Where's the light?
Flashlight.
Oh crap! I got you, boys. I got you, boys.
He's got us. Man, that thing's looking nice.
Yes, sir.
Man.
Yep.
Yeah. So, Log, you want to tell them what happened when we were there?
I'll tell you what happened.
All right, so
completely nothing. Literally nothing.
Me, Log, Owen, Josh pull up, Tommy pull up to Connor's game to watch him play. Right, first time we're gonna see him all year. 0 scores.
But dude,
Get destroyed.
There was some baddies, not gonna lie.
The 13-year-old?
Yeah, no, not those ones.
Yeah, those ones.
Maybe for
We got Ronald over here looking nice. Insert the part where me and Micah try again, redo that. All right, so me and Micah redid his whole door and side parts of his car. Here's that. This is how the FRS was at when we first started, and this is what we have now. So basically what we did was we just cut the wrap in half and put on some stickers. This is how it looks right now. So this is progress. Now we're gonna do the other side and basically mirror this.
Let's get right.
Let's get right. Time to install Connor's wheel.
Yes, sir. Hello? Well, we'll do that later. I'll try on later.
Nice halo lights, buddy.
Thank you.
Oh my.
I thought the car's about to blow up.
Oh, Connor doesn't have. Oh.
Oh, I forgot to put that there. Oops.
Connor, throw it.
It's hot.
What?
Always put your batteries.
I popped the hood. I popped the hood, and this is just.
Oh my.
You can see the wires.
I thought we were stopping because it's very stock.
No.
Where's your car, buddy?
You know my car is pick and pull. That's why we need to get it back.
That's true, bro. Let's get Chippy Green back.
Let's get the wing.
Yo.
Stealing the wing back. We're doing that.
Let's
This
steal the whole damn car back.
Log, want to tell us a little bit about FifaConnor's engine bay?
Yeah, there's a turbo. You see, this adds. Actually, this minuses horsepower.
Okay.
Because this thing is.
stop with this talk.
It's minuses horsepower because it's a Nismo. People compare them to Priuses. So.
Oh yeah.
There's not much you're seeing here.
My mod's over. Connor, why'd you close the trunk? So what we got to do right now is disconnect both those terminals so we don't get smacked by the airbag. You guys want to know how to install a carbon fiber forged steering wheel? Well,
Oh Jesus.
let me tell you how. Next, what you're going to want to do is disconnect the battery.
Yes. I would never bring a book bag to school, but you know that's a lie.
No,
I mean it's a lie. Oh, sorry, my bad.
Okay, Connor, so look at this.
basically-
On my car, these bolts right here are stuck. No, I can't unbolt these to change my terminal. Because look at here, right? You have to unbolt this piece to get this terminal out. I bought a new terminal. I can't get this bolt off.
That's on the vlog.
We're gonna talk that on the vlog.
Disconnect the battery. Now we're gonna take off the old steering wheel and put on the carbon one.
Yes, sir. Why you like the Highlander?
Mark it up.
I hate the Highlander. Oh my gosh. No, dude, the Highlander sucks.
Why, bro?
Hey, Log, what's your next car?
Huh?
What's your next car?
He doesn't even know.
He wants me to get an FRS. I'm either
Don't
gonna get
listen to
that
the Prius
or I'm
owner.
gonna get a Q50.
Get a Z.
Back to the steering wheel.
What are you guys' thoughts if I bought an Integra?
That's
I think it'd be sick.
That's sick. I like Tegra.
a Toyota car too.
It's a
You have a Toyota bag. Avalon.
a Tegra is a.
It's a Honda.
It's a Honda.
I knew it. Hey, to be fair, he thought it was a Toyota too.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. You did.
Avalon.
When I said that, I was like, wait a minute, that's a Honda. I'm retarded.
Avalon. I'm not even gonna try to talk, bro.
Idiot.
Imagine.
What do you mean, bro?
Imagine thinking it's a Toyota.
I thought you were gonna be like, oh yeah, it's a Toyota engine. I'm like, you know what? I'm not gonna argue. It's a Z because you want to gap everyone and look cool. Get a Z.
Man, I'd rather get a Prius. It's basically the same thing. Hear me out. I get a Subi.
I mean, it's a Toyota, right?
I mean, you'd think that.
Alright, back to the steering wheel.
There's nothing wrong with the car being stock. Haha.
The Highlander's not stuck.
eyes.
Are you kidding? Micah, I could be with my battery off, bro. I'll put this thing in neutral down a hill and I'll beat you.
No, that is what we
Hey,
like
at least
to
I'm not
see.
stock.
Stock with red eyes.
Your stock with stickers. $4,000 plastic pieces.
Thanks for watching.
I could go to the airport right now and show you up.
Alrighty, so step number 2. After
Oh man, it's really zoomed. Okay, there we go.
after the glizzy, all right?
Yep, after the
what
glizzy.
you're gonna do is there's gonna be 2 tabs on the side of the steering wheel. You're just gonna pop those bad boys off,
As you can see right there.
as you can see right there, and one on the right on the other side. I'm gonna
Yeah.
put it-
Not looking too
No.
Oh no.
Well, look at these would fit, but in your thing there's a thing in the middle that pokes out, so these can't even go in there. You see that? Hold up. Hey yo, what's good? We're back from last night when we tried putting on Connor's carbon fiber steering wheel, but we ran into a problem because we were missing a tool. So Connor picked that up today, and we're back, all refreshed. Let's go put that on. Is that the real Z34 Nismo? Not focusing. Focus, por favor. There he is.
Do that.
Is that the real Z34 Nismo?
I got them.
Is that the piece we've been missing? Shoot! Time to put on the steering wheel. Let's get right.
What log looks like, bro.
All right, so let's disconnect the battery right now, and we can wait a little bit so we don't get bopped in the face. The airbag. Man, look at that! Look at that nice steering wheel right there.
Pretty ugly.
But oh, Connor, want to tell him what happened?
Awesome it is, man, I guess.
Ah!
Are you gonna make it?
Nope. All right, so Connor picked up the wrong part.
I don't know about that.
He picked up the good old T30. We need the T30 security because this one doesn't have the hole in the
security
this,
on it.
this one doesn't have the hole in the middle. It's supposed to have a hole in the middle. Sick. We're gonna go pick up the right piece right now with good old FifaConnor. So we're hopping in the Nismo.
Look at that chef, man.
Hey, we are here at the good old one and only AutoZone to pick up one of these bad boys, but with a hole in the middle. Hey guys, look at my right-hand drive 370Z. We're cruising right now on the freeway. Nice right-hand drive. Let's get right. We got Z34 Nismo here with me
In the passenger seat.
in the passenger seat. Got the nice Manny. We're chilling. We're out here cruising. Oh, what's that? AutoZone did not have the part that we needed, so we're gonna go to Lowe's right now, go check there, and they should have the part. So alrighty, so let's see here, we just disconnected the battery. Great job, as you can see right there. Looks real nice and clean.
That's right.
We're gonna come inside, take off the steering wheel, and put on the new one, just like we tried to yesterday.
Yep. And failed. But we're not gonna fail this time, hopefully.
All right, well, let's see if the airbag ends up exploding on us. FifaConnor's got a little bit of a problem with his new headlights.
I don't know.
A little condensation up in there.
Well, the battery doesn't work. Oh, it's recording. So this is the point of view of driving a Z. Let's see. Yep, look at that. Oh, there's a hood. Look at the new steering wheel, man. It's so inspirational. Look at this. Ew. Look at this. Look at that. Ugh. Like comes the FOBOI dude. I hear him. I am so. You don't know how scared I am right now.
No way that works.
Oh yeah, it's loose. Whoa. I could have broken my wrist right there. I did.
So basically, give him a little backstory, you know, in the vlog. So his bolt was stripped in the Z, so we couldn't take out the steering wheel. So we had to find another way how to get the bolt out.
It looks good from this angle. Just look at it.
All right, looks pretty good, right? All right, so the steering wheel, hold up, look at this nice carbon steering wheel. Oh yeah, looks pretty good, right? Now you come on this side, and look at that. Connor, what'd you do? Explain.
I didn't do it. My dad did it.
Explain what Brett did.
So he drank a few beers before working on the Z, and he didn't know which one to cut. So yeah.
All right, so Brett, instead of cutting right here to get the bolt out, because that's where the bolt is, he cut over here. So yeah, that's what happened to the Nismo. So rip the Nismo, but hey, at least the steering wheel's on, ain't that right?
Yes, it's on. Looking real nice.
That's facts.
All right, guys. So do not do that when installing your carbon fiber steering wheel on your 370 Nismo or 370. Don't drink alcohol. Don't cut that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Peace.